Hey, you guys, just caught the first one on the Rapala jerk bait. It's a nice one. Well, let's do a short with him and get him back in the water. Hey, you guys, let's get this guy back in the water. I done had him out long enough, so let's get him back. We can get him off the hook. Okay, there we go. Let's get him back, guys.
First cast with first time.
And I got Backlash Fisherman, you guys. It's not bad. It's pretty good. All right, you guys. Just got one on the popper. Let's get this back fixed. Alright, you guys, just got one on a popper. Let's get him in the water. Get him back in the water, you guys. Thank you, buddy. Alright, you guys, let them go. Nice healthy little bass. They're not skinny, so send your grandmama. Thank you, buddy. Hey guys, caught him on the jerk bait. Let's do a release on this guy. Let me see. Hold your tail around. Hey Patch, I need a thumbnail. Oh yeah. You hit that thing with the power. Come here, buddy. Come here. Alright, you guys. I don't know if you saw that blow up or not, but he hit that popper with the hardness, with the quickness. Got him on the popper, you guys. Ain't gonna weigh him, just gonna get him back in the water. Brother Patrick. I just got one on the popper. I just had one on the popper. Anything to tell a story about?
When?
Today, at River Park North. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, that's awesome. That's what you need.
Short, made a short with a gar, made a short with a little shad.
Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Man.
Bass? Yeah.
No.
That's nice enough.
Yeah. You want them?
Yeah, I'll fry them up.
Grant said you can have them. I know. Hey, you want to come lip this one for me?
Yeah.
Man, this thing got some huge teeth in his mouth.
No, I got him, but my thumb made a steel.
Yeah. Yeah. What you said? Yeah. All right, Patrick ready to thumb this guy. This thing, look at the teeth in his mouth, man. Look like human teeth.
How
he got too many hooks in his mouth for a cloud. I can't do nothing with that. I can't do nothing with that. Oh yeah, yeah, right there.
Man,
Right there. I lift him right there, just like that.
I'd be scared to let him go. He
Let
might
him
get
go.
to jumping all over the place.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that.
I ain't never seen nothing like it. He is actually thumbing a chain
I'm
pickerel.
gonna drop him. Oh man, made some funny noise there.
Yeah, I ain't holding him tight. I guess he want that bait out of his mouth. Yo, Paul Man Bassin is lipping
Y'all
a chain pickerel. I can't believe it, guys.
Check that thumb out. Check that thumb out. It's a steel thumb, guys. Don't let the skin fool you.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Well, I'll be playing. I ain't got time for that. This joker, he done bit down on the bait, man. Yeah, man, this joker bit down on the bait something serious. Oh. Yeah, it is. He the slimiest rascals. Huh?
I won't even feel it.
Huh?
I just had it. I was turning the starter.
Uh-oh. That old shuck. Oh boy. That guy, he just hit the water and he grabbed it, whatever it is. It is. Yeah. It slapped the water. When it slapped the water, he grabbed it. I didn't even move it. Yeah. Hey, what's up there?
Nice side.
Yes, sir. Good gracious. Oh, he's still buddy. Yeah, it slapped the water. When it slapped the water, he grabbed it. I didn't even move it. All right, you guys, this is what we come for. He's small, but still, this is what we come for. Huh? So what?
Hand them up, man.
It's that jerk bait, man. It ain't me. Yeah. All right, you guys. I think they're all twins and triplets. They're all about the same size. Send the big one.
They're all birthday. Grandma birthday.
Oh, yeah. They're all about the same, Patchy Day. Yeah. It's the jerk bait. It's the jerk bait doing all the work. Okay, you guys. He trying to bite me and get away at the same time. Got another little one, guys. Just keep it moving. Let me do this. Got another chain pickerel, you guys. Let's get his butt back in the water. Thank you, though. I'm actually using the Rapala. It's not a shallow wrap shad. It's a what you call this thing? It's like a ghost minnow color, but it's by Rapala. Same works. And that's gonna be it for me, guys. That's it. I'm gonna cut it short. I'm not gonna be doing no more fishing out here tonight because this place has a lot of stray dogs walking around out here and stuff like that at night, so, and I don't feel like doing no more running, so I tell you what, y'all guys, I appreciate your support, appreciate you checking out my channel, appreciate your comments and everything. I try to get back with everybody who leave me comments and support my channel. As you grow, it gets harder to do that, but hey, you're only going to get out what you put into it. So I appreciate you guys being patient with me to get back to you. Just like I said, I really appreciate your support. I appreciate your love, you guys. Y'all have a good one. Till I see you again.